Hey, this is Pete from Abstract Ocean. Today I'm pretty excited, British excited, to talk to you about our Model 3 and Model Y rear Footwell lighting kit. There's a few things that make this different. One is plug and play, like all of our lights. Two, CE certified, again, like all of our lights. So that just means it's passed a quality test. It's required in many European countries, but it just checks for construction, electromagnetic interference, that kind of thing. And then three, they mimic the behavior of the factory Footwell lights and of course our own Footwell lights as well. So when the car is in park, they're bright, and then when the car is put into drive, all the Footwell lights dim down, so they match that behavior as well. If I grab the portable camera for a second, quickly show you what they look like. So you can see where, it's a bright sunny day at the moment, and hopefully you can see there. So that's what they look like in daylight, and then towards the end of this video we'll chop in a quick take of how they look in the evening as well. And then if I do a quick unboxing video just to show you what goes on. So here's the box. I'll just dump everything out real quick, lay it out. So here's what you get. You get some zip ties or cable ties just to tidy up the installation. You get a couple of strips of 3M double-sided foam tape, and then this is where the magic happens. This is the light bars that go under the seats, so one each under each seat. And then if I get a close-up of the end of the power, so this is where we daisy chain off the front Footwell lights. So the power from the car goes in here, and then the front Footwell light is plugged into this one, so it maintains that connection. And then we daisy chain off, run this cable down the side of the car, underneath the driver's door or passenger door, and underneath the seat. It's a pretty easy process. In Model Y, it's very easy because you have a lot of space because the seats are lifted up. In Model 3, it's a bit more cozy, but still exactly the same process. And then the actual light bars, obviously we put the double-sided tape on the back of that, and there's a plastic bar at the front of each of the passenger and driver's seats, and that's where we fix the light bar, so it sits like that, shining backwards. That's where we have ours, so even though it seems like it's a long way forward underneath the seat, it gives you plenty of light for the rear Footwells. So with that said, I'm going to cut to a segment we recorded showing the lights at night, and then we're going to link to Eric's video at the end of this showing how to install them in his Model Y. Thanks for watching.
Alright, so it's pretty dark outside now. We just have some light from the TV in here, but other than that it's pretty dark. So if I open up the front, you'll see the deep purple Footwell lights doing their thing. The car's currently in park at the moment, obviously, so this is at their brightest setting. And then if I get in the rear, you can see this is how they look when the car is in park, so quite bright. Then if I get in and we put the car in drive, you see they dim down, but they're still partially lit, so same as the front Footwell lights. So that's it. So thank you for watching. This is Pete from Abstract Ocean, and we've been looking at the installation for the rear Footwell lights for Model 3 and Model Y.